Alrighty, this is Milo Moves. I am out here on the goat ranch once again. No Polly this time, so it's just gonna be me going and investigating this, what I suspect is probably an old clubhouse. We're actually really not sure what it was used for. It's sort of a mystery property, but it is due for demolition here, so I was asked by Polly to come out here and try to document as much as I could. So I am going to go ahead and do that. There's some like old clothes. I was here previously and did like a preliminary search around inside of what I suspect is a clubhouse. Took some photos, pretty cool. But other than that, hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna go on the head. So let's do it. No. Damn mosquito. Already getting antagonized by the bugs. Last time I was over here, I got eaten alive by a bunch of freaking red ants, or fire ants probably. Made me itch. So I'm actually gonna go all the way to the back. Obviously you can see there's some vandalism that's happened here. See some deer out way back there. Ugh, that's a big spider web. We're gonna go around it. I don't really feel like getting a spider in my face. Okay. Huh. So that fell down recently. I didn't exactly come and check this out. I don't know if there's anything cool around it. Oh wow, so there's two broken down. Wild. Let's come over here. Oh, there's like an old crate. I'm really hesitant to actually go in here because this thing is like about to tumble over. That is some wind. Sorry if it picks up a lot of the wind. Oh, here we go. Check this out. That's an old bottle. Old brown bottle. Let's see. Ah. So now we know what kind of glass that is. I'm gonna put this in my backpack in a little bit. I'm gonna put it over for the front. Alright, I will set this right here and I'll put that in my backpack on my way out. God, there's so much, like, there's so many spiky plants in here. Okay. This video is probably gonna go up before the goat ranch because it is a raw footage video. I'm just gonna upload it straight as it is. Wow, so there was actually 3 structures over here. So here's one. It's a little bit easier to navigate over here. Interesting. I think this one had electricity of some sort going to it. because that looks like the fitting to a light bulb or something. I don't know, maybe not. Hard to say. Oh, interesting. So it looks like there was a fence here at one point in time. Yeah, these are really banged up property here. It would have been really nice to see if anybody actually knows what this was for. Really, there's only speculation. The reason that it was originally thought that that would be a house is because what's it called? Well, this all seems like a ranch that's right outside here, but it doesn't have any. It doesn't seem like it has any signs of like a chimney or anything along those lines. So oh man. Now, this was the one that I was particularly interested in looking at. Oh yeah, look at that. So this looks like it used to be an old stable. There used to be some fencing over here. I just wonder how much of these smaller trees didn't used to be here. Like they must have gotten hacked down at some point in time and possibly grew back. Very dense woods. Ooh, what's that? Like a wooden bottom of a barrel. Okay, never mind. I thought it might be like a part of a chair. Oh my god, I hate when the wind is like this. Seems pretty sturdy in there. Let's get a look around it before we go inside. Yeah, this back section seems like it's actually held up pretty good. Oh, look at that. Tree fell over right next to it. This could have totally just ruined this whole thing right here. I wonder when this was put down. Oh, sorry, bird. That's something that I have noted. There's a lot of trees that have fallen in this forest here. Berry bush. Oh, they've even got like a couple of shutters here. Itch. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm real hesitant to go inside just in case something does happen in there. But I'm sure we'll be fine. Let's go in. Try not to disturb all the spiders. Yeah. It looks like there's like an upper floor to it as well. Kind of see inside. There's some old boxes here. Oh, dude, this thing is creaky and creepy. It's so weird being out here by myself. I'll tell you what. Okay. Yeah, I don't really want to go in that way. I'll go into the other side. Yeah, you can hear it creak every time the wind moves, but it's still, a lot of these pillars are still looking pretty decent, so I think I'll be okay. It shouldn't collapse. Maybe the flooring might, but okay. Plenty of animals have been in here. So this whole property was allegedly put here in about the 50s, but like I said, they really don't know when all of this would have been here. Yeah, there's really nothing in here. We'll go through and go out that way. Ugh. Damn door. Oh. Interesting, so I wonder how people got up here. They must have had like a ladder at some point in time. Interesting. Alright, let's wander off of yonder. So I haven't seen anything deeper in the woods. I'm tempted of maybe going further in at some point, but let's just go check out all the main property. I don't really imagine there's anything else back there. Oh, see, I didn't even look at this really right here. Oh, look at that. Oh, a bunch more glass. Small glass jar. Oh, there's the... some that's busted up. I think that's plastic. This one. Okay. Trying to move them before I pick them up in case there's anything inside of them. Okay. Interesting. Let's see here. I think that's also got the IO. So this whole 25i, I wonder what this company is. This just looks like a glass jar for milk. It actually, you know, I wonder if it had a label on it at some point. Just look at the gripping, how that was built. This is kind of a neat one. Look at that. Look at these little indents. 64. So that is not Owens. What is it? Was Owens, Idaho or something? That's just a classic mason jar. Oh, yeah, look at that. Bunch of mason jars. Okay, cool. Oopsie. We did not want to do that. I don't want to damage it. Oh, what's this here? It's an old tin. Oh, wait, hold up. Oh. I should have grabbed my freaking gloves. What is this? This looks like an old plate. I don't... Yeah, look at that. 1965. Look at that. I wonder what car that was attached to. This is why we do this. We find artifacts. These buckets are kind of cool, but now that's a find right there. So it's all about looking around. The ground is a friend. I wonder what this is. Oh, that looks like an old hubcap. Oh, there's another glass bottle right there. See what happens when you look at the ground? Ooh, an unopened glass bottle, looks like. All right, we're having fun here. Damn train. That thing is loud as hell though. Okay, there we go. Ooh, something died here. Something got pulled in and eaten. That is a bird. A few old buckets in there. Huh, I wonder what this was for. What are these rafters? Down in the comments below, let me know what you guys think that might be, that rafter right there. That's really interesting. I don't know, it must be some sort of rack. I don't know. Hard to say. All right, so we'll come over here. Oh yeah, see, I didn't even notice that last time. There's like fencing right here. That's intriguing. I wonder what all is right here as well. All right. So now this was kind of a cool thing here, because I noticed that this whole foundation, if you come through here, so notice how there's two doors, entrance, exit, and you got just this one entrance right here. Oh, you know what? But this isn't cement on this side. God, I wonder. Now, I bet you all that glass in there is probably something interesting. I'll take the time to look through all that stuff. Maybe I'll document what I recover from in here. Not really sure there's anything important. Let's go into the main exhibit. The creepiest part of the journey. The old crooked house. Or clubhouse. I am like positive that this was not something like, maybe somebody lived here part-time, but I cannot imagine like they did while everything was here. If that makes any semblance of sense of what I'm saying right now. And they had electricity, clearly. Here's where that light source is. And Polly was upset because somebody had taken that book that she had been telling me about. And I never really come over here. This must have been like a bathroom. There could have been a tub right here. The Ninja Warriors. They're already working to tear it down. Somebody taking a sledgehammer or something and started working at it. I'm not gonna worry about opening any of these closets. I've already seen what's inside of them. Adjust this for a second. Oh, I didn't go on the other side over here. My bad. So yeah, there's like a bunch of clothes here. That's why I really do feel like this was some sort of clubhouse, because, I mean, a lot of this attire here, I mean, that's like a nice button-up sweater of some sort. I'm pretty sure there's a dress. So this one right here is like a nice dress. And then there's a blazer over there. Hard to say. Hard to say. Okay. Here. Now there's probably some sort of crawl space up there, but that's probably way too dangerous just seeing how cut out the roof is. Yeah. My suspicion is that this might have been like some sort of a kitchen, but it's just so hard to say because there's really not a whole lot left, you know. I think, ooh, you know what? This might have been a chimney right here, but it doesn't go down into the ground, so I don't understand why. Maybe it was just like an old stove or something along those lines. Damn mosquitoes. I wonder what this is. Part of something? Old clay pot. All right, well, there we go. Let's go around the front. You can see how this has all been demolished here. And it seems like there wasn't really a whole lot of glass over here, so I'm guessing this was supposed to be like kind of an open, sort of open porch area. I wonder what these were for. Off. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I'm pretty sure the wind just slammed a door. I don't appreciate it. Not cool. I try not to curse at all, but that was not cool. I don't appreciate that. Okay. Well, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, the only thing left is this, but I'm pretty sure this was just like some sort of an outhouse, maybe. I don't know. Hard to say. Yeah, I don't know. This was probably some sort of a telephone pole. Had an electrical box right here. Yeah. Oh, there's another jar over here. Oh, there's a bunch more. That looks like a cola glass. Can't collect all the jars here, so I gotta be a little more tactful. I think I'm gonna grab that brown bottle. Probably this this milk bottle. I'm definitely grabbing this old license plate. That is really cool. So 1965. So I'm gonna grab that license plate. We're gonna head back. I'll take another poke inside that other shed real quick, just to see if there's like anything that's like super cool that I just can't let stay here. Because like I said, this is all due for demolishment. So you know, if I don't come in here and grab some of these items and get them into preservation now, they're gonna be lost. Most likely, at least. That's my theory. I just really don't want to be in here very long. I'm not really seeing, I don't really feel like digging around in here. It really is just a bunch of glasses and cans. Yeah, I'm good. I don't need anything out of there. Let's grab milk jar, or the milk jug, the brown glass bottle, and let's go ahead and head out. I'd say that is a wrap. Let's come over here real quick. There's some more stuff on the ground. Oh, now that looks like an old outhouse. It's just kind of sunken into the ground a little bit. Yeah, that has got to be an old outhouse. I just can't imagine why it's sitting over here like this. Wild. Okay, let's get that sheathed. Let's grab, put that in here. This one, oh, there's both of them have like weird indentations. I'm gonna grab both of them. Grab both of those. You know, let's just take off our backpack, make it a little bit easier. That and oh, no way. Oh, I'm carrying that out for sure. Okay, let's man, I didn't even see that. I don't know if you guys see it. That jar right there. Hell yeah. Oh, ow. Okay, careful. Don't need tetanus. Okay, let's grab you. Avoid the barbed wire. Yes, quite a bit of life. This one's gonna have to get cleaned out quite a bit. Haha. Now that is super cool. Alrighty, let's go grab that other jar. Oh, you know what? And I didn't even check out that place either. We'll go around the front. Huh. Must be some sort of an old trough. That was right here. I don't know. Well, see, here's the weird thing is that, like, I don't know if maybe, like, it is actually genuinely a house because there is a bed frame in there. It's just odd that it doesn't have a chimney at all. There was that one, so maybe they had just like a stove in there that they did. I don't know. Really hard to say. Really hard to say. I'm gonna bring this stuff up to the front, and then I'm gonna go into that shed barn thingy. Now you guys get a decent view of the front of the house. It's all getting destroyed anyhow. These two windows right here are the only windows still up. It's kind of a shame. So, well, I'm sure at some point I might have a reason to come back down here. But that's cool. This one's another Owens, Illinois glass. I wonder what this jar is. I didn't take a look at the bottom. Some Tweety birds. Beautiful trees. I love this, like, this canopy in here. Drop. Oh, maybe I should go poke around in that real quick. Let's drop these glasses over here. And we'll see what might be in there. Just taking a moment. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. So this was a sliding door right here. It's probably so gunked up you can't really slide it, but I wonder what's in there. I kind of wonder if this was like a pseudo, that looks new. Oh, you know what? I think that's one of Polly's, yeah, that's, one of their cameras. Oh, there's some more bottles in there. Don't really want to grab any more bottles. And it's dark as shit, so we are going to get on the flashlight. Oh man, so many webs. What this is. Some part of a machine here. Yeah, I'm guessing this is probably where they stored like a car or something. This is definitely like a decent spot. You got a giant sliding door. Oh yeah, what's this? Huh. Yeah, you know what? I bet you they had the, they probably had a tractor in here. Yeah, I think that's exactly what that is. All right. Oh, ow. Awesome. All right. So I think that kind of does that. Oh, train right there. Let's go around to the other side. See if maybe there's anything of interest. Yeah, really nothing. Ah, damn mosquitoes. I don't have to get eaten alive here. have to wait a minute. My car's on the other side there, unfortunately. Maybe we go run around and get some different shots. Let's see here, 50%. Whew. That was pretty entertaining. Oh, train's gone. All right, well, I think that's gonna be a wrap for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I was out here at the North Goat Ranch, and that's gonna be it. So take it easy.